So I am cleaning my sneakers right now because I was tempted the other day to look for a new pair of sneakers because I thought these were looking pretty crummy, and they are getting just a tiny bit worn out, like inside of here, but they're not too bad yet. And nothing else is really wrong with them. So I was like, you know what? I am going to try to clean them, brighten them up with some soft scrub with a bleach in it, and put them out in the sun and see if we can get these sneakers looking a little bit nicer so that I don't feel like buying new sneakers, because I don't really need new sneakers right now. These are still pretty good. So yeah, using my little toothbrush as usual. Hey, where's she barking at? And let's see how good I can get these. I also want to do Paisley sneakers because she got the cutest little bluey sneakers like a month ago, but she's been wearing them like every day. Like they're like main sneakers right now, and they're starting to look a little bit crummy too, so I think I will clean hers up a little bit also. My mom said she used to do this for us all the time when we were kids. Like she said she was always cleaning our sneakers. And I don't know, do people clean their sneakers anymore? It's looking better already. See, it's getting whiter. This might be crazy, but I'm gonna try to do the bottom too because I just don't like how that looks. Let's give it a little scrub. Should be wearing my apron right now. My little cooking apron, so I don't get this all over me. Okay, I got some soft scrub all the way on the bottom of this one. I'm just gonna let this one sit with it for a little bit, and I got it all around the edge too. I'm gonna let this one sit. I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'll rinse them and show you what they look like when they're done. By the way, it's Madison's birthday today. Let me know if you guys have been around watching my videos since she was born 15 years ago. I can't believe I have a 15-year-old. I was telling her before, I was like, 3 more years until you're an adult. That's crazy. But yeah, today's her birthday. I took her to the mall a little bit ago, and she wanted to get a slice of cheesecake from Cheesecake Factory. So I took her there for that. And then she also had like a gift card. I think it was like Starbucks and Cinnabon or something. I don't know. She had some money for Cinnabon too, so she got a Cinnabon, whatever. And then, yeah, went and got her a slice of cheesecake that she wanted instead of birthday cake. She really just wanted cheesecake, I guess. Actually, I think she said she wanted cake too, but so we also had a cake, but she wanted this. Water running is annoying me with that. She wanted cheesecake, but she also wanted cake. So we have a cake, and she has a slice of cheesecake as well. Yeah. She is 15 today. So crazy to have a 15-year-old and a 4-year-old, and it's like I remember when she was like 4 years old and little like Paisley is. I don't know, so weird. So weird to be on like both sides of the parenting timeline right now, you know, like with teenagers and like still really little. At least one really little one. I don't know if I could say that Noah is really little anymore. He's 7. But Paisley is definitely still my little one. But anyway, let me stop talking. Show you what these look like when I'm done. Okay, so I just took a shower. I am so full. We had Popeyes for dinner, and then we had cake, and yeah, I'm really full. I am going to probably go to bed after this because I'm going to try to get up earlier than the kids tomorrow. But anyway, here's my shoes that I cleaned before. They look a lot better. I couldn't get the front part that white, and the bottom definitely didn't come out that good, but sides definitely look a lot nicer, so they look better than they did before, so it was worth it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I'm gonna go talk to you all later.